Your DJI Osmo Pocket might record videos, but if the 4K option isn't working, you won't get the best quality footage. Many users get frustrated not knowing the simple fixes. This usually happens due to firmware glitches, incorrect settings, or storage issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 4K option not working on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check the micro SD card. First, make sure that you are using UHS V30 or faster SD card because 4K recording requires high-speed write capability. If the card is too slow or corrupted, 4K may be disabled. Solution 2. Free up storage. Turn on your camera, then swipe right to bring the playback option. Now delete some unnecessary files, or you can use DJI Mimo app to delete files. Solution 3. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the homepage of the app on your home. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes the firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes it. Solution 4. Reset settings. Turn on the camera. Now swipe down to bring the menu options. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll all the way down. Here you will see the factory reset option. Tap on it, then tap on confirm. Wait to reboot. It will reset all your camera settings. Now select language. And that's all. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.